Fidgets of the day, Watchitude's Endless Bubble Wrap. Next, these dubs from Stamara. Of course, we have the Ishy Squishies. A fidget slider from Mozzie Makes. This fabric squishy by Keiko. A sushi fidget clicker. This is by Jazz's House, I want to say that's the name of it. Basically, it's like a little finder fidget toy. So more so like visual. Then I have my Pain Stem Duo. This Neato Nice Cream Cone. And this weighted fidget keychain. And these are the fidgets of the day. Thank you for coming.